The topics that have been dealt during the Congress Coastal Law 8 are really relevant. It is well known that the problems of coastal erosion, coastal defense, pollutant diffusion in the sea, and generally speaking of territorial risks are topical nowadays. The press, the newspapers report these problems, especially during the vacation period, but really they are always present. All these themes, which now are really pressing, deserve an integrated vision and have to be handled with new techniques, taking into account the need for rational management of the seas and oceans. Therefore, the International Congress Coastal Law 8 is a great opportunity for the Politecnico di Bari and for our region. In fact, during the Congress, many researchers of international renown will present the last scientific and technological innovations for the coastal defense, coastal erosion protection, and the pollutant diffusion and advection in the sea environment. From this aspect, as president of the Apulian section of the Italian Hydrotechnic Association, on behalf of the members, I am very pleased to have supported the Coastal Law 8, and furthermore, I think that the Apulian region should be proud of hosting this international congress.
The virtuous behaviors of the territorial authorities and the boards consist also in taking into account that the maritime constructions and the management, for example for coastal protection, have to start from deep and rigorous scientific and technical analysis and study, also of the possible so-called side effects of these human activities. In fact, for example, it is well known that some coastal protection constructions and activities could worsen the situation in the place where they are applied, and unfortunately also at a certain distance from that place, if the construction impacts are not well studied. So I would strongly advise the territorial authorities and boards to coordinate their possible activities for the coastal defense, territorial risk preventions, and the sea and the coastal management, also with the researchers, universities, and scientific institutions, in order to choose the better solutions and avoid undesirable negative side effects for our coasts.